$CAD potential buy opportunity on the daily time frame. Phil C here with you, professional trader at Star Prosper. That's what we are doing right now. Potential buy opportunity on the CAD daily time frame. Before we skip ahead, a word of warning here. I work with traders one-on-one via screen share, and before I take on someone, we go through what's called a trader assessment. Now, what's incredibly common in trading is trying to trade around emotions. So they find a trade idea, they find a strategy, they take it to the live markets, and they may even do well for a couple of trades. Until what? 1 loss, 2 loss, 3 loss. Before you know it, your 4 trades are down. Negative $1,000 staring at you in the face. What happens next? You double down, revenge trade, chasing the market until your account what? Pops like a balloon. We've all been there. It's a common event with those who come to me for hands-on training. What's a trader to do? What would your advice be to said trader? So let's go to the charts and take a look how to overcome that in this episode. If you like this style of trading, please hit the like button for me, and let's go take a look at the $CAD. Here we are with the $CAD on the daily time frame. Now, as I was saying, we are going to wait for the market to come to us. This way, there's no emotional decision making in our trading whatsoever. You can eliminate emotional decision making in your trading using a fantastic tool set that is available to all of us called the Fibonacci retracement. Fibs, that is what we are doing. Okay, so here's what I've identified right here. The pattern that we are looking at today is called a Gartley pattern trade. There's a potential trade set up. It's a buy in the form of a Gartley pattern. Okay, now here is our starting point. And we have a move swing low to swing high right here. All I'm trying to identify right now is where price action has come into. Which Fibonacci level have we come into? Well, let's take a Fibonacci retracement and we'll take it from our starting point, our impulse leg. And we'll go from swing low to swing high right here. Reason why it's a Gartley is it's a 618 Fibonacci. So we have a B point right here. That puts us on Gartley pattern alert. Now, the next criteria I need to have is another Fibonacci retracement, right? Looking at another Fibonacci level, and I'm going to measure this move. So this pullback right here from swing low, swing high, right there. Let's grab a Fibonacci retracement tool, swing high to swing low, and let's take a look at where price action comes in at, right to a 618. So we have a 618 right here, followed by another 618 Fibonacci retracement there. Now, again, that puts us on Gartley pattern alert there. 618 followed by a 618 is the criteria that we are looking for. And now we want the third criteria, which is where does it come in at? So if price action were to come all the way down right here, where are we looking to buy? Which level? And we want to use Fibonacci's to take the guesswork out of it, right? So with Fibonacci, we can remove all that emotional decision making, taking the guesswork out of it, and then giving us entries, stops, and targets just by using fibs, right? Like this. Fibonacci extension from our previous high to low, back up in. And what we're looking for is price action to come all the way down into a 127 Fibonacci extension. If price action can do that, come all the way down into a 127 right there, we know that that is where we want to buy it up. That's where we're going to buy it up right there. So immediately we have our entries right there. Also, we can use Fibonacci again to look for our stops and look for our targets. Fibonacci extension gives us the entry at the 127. Now let's take a look at another Fibonacci move for our stop. We'll take it from this low all the way to this high right there. Our stop placement is going to be down at the 113 right there. Entry, stop. Now, where are our targets going to go? Right. And let's just draw this in so it's easier to see. So we have our X to A right there, A to B, B to C, C all the way down to here, CD completion right there. Now our targets, we use a Fibonacci retracement again, and we take it from this high all the way down to our swing low here. So we'll draw it together, swing high to swing low, right down to there, our D point completion. And we have target 1 right here at the 382 and target 2 at the 618 right there. So we have our entry stops and targets. What happens here is I have the exact entries, stops, and targets I want for this trade, this Gartley pattern trade. And the key right here is it's the same every single time. Now it's predictable, right? Now it's predictable. No matter if the trade wins or loses from here, it does not matter. I know what I trade in my portfolio has an edge, and I'll explain that in another video. Or you can hit the link below and check out the STAR method that I use every day in the live markets. It's an entire platform that I'll show you everything you'll ever need to become consistently profitable. Side note, by the way, on that platform, you'll also have access to my live stream, and you can trade alongside with me Monday to Friday, London market open, because proof of concept and transparency is key. Absolutely. If that's good, hit the link, create an account, and you get access to everything I have. As for this trade, I have my setup right here. Now, all I do is wait for the market. If we're trading right here, so let's take this off. If we're trading right here, right now, I don't have to make a decision. Right here, there is no trade for me to take. I analyze, wait, be patient. And if price action comes all the way down into my D point completion, then I buy. Why? Because I have an edge. Patience, patience, patience. No emotional decision making at all. If this happens, then I do that. That's how we want to trade. If this happens, then I want to do that. So you're no longer making emotional decisions. Now you're responding to the markets, right? And you can do that again and again, day in and day out. And not get caught up in the fundamentals or what's going on or chasing trades or doing any of that. We don't want that. We want to be consistently profitable. Not consistently all over the place. That's not what we want to do. So there's no trade in there for me right now. So if I follow my plan, that is the trade setup that I want to have. And if I want to make it a bit more visually appealing, let's just draw that back in here. Let's grab a long tool right here. Drop that in. Now targets are at the 382 right there, and stop, well, stop is where it's meant to be already. Now let's take a look at the risk to reward here. Clean that up. Where is it? Risk to reward. So we are over a 1-to-1. So 1.38. We're over a 1-to-1. So if I'm half right on this trade, if I'm half right on this setup, and I consistently enter this trade with a positive risk to reward, and I don't do any emotional trading whatsoever, and I just follow the plan and I trade this day in and day out, then you are going to do exceptionally well in trading. If you can do that, having faith in the plan, showing up every single day and trading the plan over and over and over. That's target 1. We'll clone that. We'll drag that to the side right here, right there. And then we'll drag this all the way up. Target 2 is at a 618. So over 2.5, right? Almost 2.5 to 1 risk to reward profile on target 2. Again, if you're half right on this, 50% accurate on a Gartley pattern, and you can measure this risk to reward consistently over and over and be patient and wait for the market to come to you, again, you're going to do well. Now, if you want to learn this pattern, or if you want to trade alongside with me every single London market open, so I can show this to you day in and day out, then hit the link below and create the account, and I look forward to seeing you on the platform. If not, please like and subscribe if you like this style of trading. And until next time, be safe, enjoy life, and I'll talk to you soon. We'll wait to see how this plays out. Thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted. I appreciate you. Let's have a wonderful week and make it as amazing as you are. All right. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.